Hey everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and today we are doing something very different. Today we are doing a packing video, what's in my bag, and I'm going to travel to a different city, and I'm going for an official work conference, and so I need formal clothes, I need informal clothes, I need behind the scene, the casual clothes because I'm going before the event and I'm gonna stay back after the event. That means I need various different kinds of clothes. And I'm going to a sea beach area, that means a warmer climate, so I have to pack accordingly. Without further ado, let's get started. And I am taking a hand luggage, a 4-wheeler trolley bag. My bag is American Tourister and its maximum capacity is 20 kilo, and I'm gonna take around like 10 kilo. I am gonna carry it in my hand because I don't have anything for my check-in requirement, so it's gonna be my cabin luggage. I also have a personal item, so let's open this baby. So my bag has two different compartments. It opens like a suitcase. It is a suitcase, and there are different kinds of suitcase that open only one side. My bag has open two sides, and I have compartments in both the side. One is a ziplock, one is a box, like a packing cube kind of a thing. And I am a person who's a packing cube person. There are so many people who are not packing cube and they put clothes in this segment, but I'm a different person. And there's a debate on packing cube versus no packing cube. I think I fall into the first category, and I have two different packing cubes here. I also have like various other boxes here. We're gonna go face by face. So first I'll go into my clothes. Here, this is my flying sole packing cube, and I have most of my clothes in here. I have my undergarments, my socks, and my lounging clothes in this other packing cube that I have in here. So let's open this baby first. So the first thing on my packing cube is a t-shirt. It's actually a top kind of a t-shirt. I'm carrying this for a backup. I don't know when I'm gonna use it. I have a formal semi-formal pant. I have a jean pant. I have a trouser, a cotton blend trouser. We have a theme, it's called Go Green, where you have to wear all kind of natural fabric. Here is a t-shirt, it's a full sleeve t-shirt. Here is another t-shirt, full sleeve t-shirt. This is a white top, and I can wear it with all my bottoms. This is a top, I can wear it with all my bottoms again. This is a shirt. We have a cultural section that where we have to wear natural clothes, so I think I'm gonna wear these and my cotton jeans, or this and with something else. I have again a formal tops, and because it's a formal event, so I might have to wear formal clothes. So I have 3 formal sets, but I can also wear it in casually. So when I'm wearing it for formal reason, I can wear it with a formal pant, and when I'm wearing for casual reasons, I can wear it with a jeans. So it can goes pretty much with anything and everything. Whatever I have packed in here, it goes with everything. I'm gonna give you a demo, not in this video, but maybe in a photo basis. So this is all I have in my regular packing cube. This is my another packing cube. I have my casual clothes and my other underwears and socks and all, and sleeping suit here. I'm not gonna go through everything. But this is a pant. This is for lounging reason. I have 2 tops here for lounging reasons, and then I have a sleeping suit here that I'm gonna wear it at night, and I have a yoga sock here. So I'm not sure whether I'm carrying my yoga mat with me or not, because I do yoga every day. I'm a health enthusiast, but even if not, I can do yoga on the hotel floor with my yoga sock. And that's all we have in this packing cube. I have a shower cap here, and I keep my shoes in shower cap, and this is a small sleeper because it's a beach area, and there are a lot of sand in there. So I have 2 sleepers. I don't have any formal sandals. I'm gonna wear a sneaker, which I will, if I have to wear a formal dress, I'll probably wear with this sleeper. And because it's only a half-a-day conference and I'm working behind the scene, so I don't require to attend the formal suit, but I may have to attend meetings. I have a microfiber pouch here, a pack here, which I use to clean my shoes, especially my white sneaker that I'm gonna wear. That is gonna be my airport outfit, and I can also clean this with this, and they are waterproof. And my trip requires a lot of water area, so that's why I'm planning this. And these are the stuffs we had in the other side of the suitcase, and where we have a foldable backpack. And this is gonna be my bag throughout my trip, and it's a fancy bag, and it's very compact. I can fit my laptop in here, I can fit a water bottle in here, I can fit my umbrella in here. It has a pocket on the front. I have my mask in here already. It also have a front sleeve like this, and it has an inner pocket for my valuables and all, and it has a very big pocket. Also, it has a back pocket, but it has a hole in here. For what? So this bag is very usable. Why? Because you can take it as a side bag. I can take it as my side bag. My 16-inch MacBook Pro can fit in here very easily. And when I don't want this sleeve, I can put it back inside. And voila, it doesn't have any back strap. So this is a very trustworthy backpack that I've been using for quite some time. Here was my toiletry bag. I have a toiletry bag that I can hang in the hotel bathroom, and I have pretty much everything here. All my face care is here, my moisturizer, my UV protection, my toner, my cleansing gel, my powder. I have my face serum, I have an eye serum. I also have some face mask inside this bag, just in case, because it's a very rough weather. It's a very harsh weather over there. So if I'm gonna burn in the sun, I may have to take care of my skin. And here I have my shampoo, my body lotion, my deodorant, my hairbrush, my perfumes. So these are the things that I have in here, and I also have my toothbrush in here. This is all we have in my toiletry bag. This is my coffee plus medicine box, and I keep in this box just in case I need an empty box to put something valuable. This is my medicine box. I have pretty much all basic medicines, and I have some prescription medicine that I have here in this box. And here I have my mostly coffee, hot chocolate, green tea. I have a Nescafe latte, cafe. I have a Nescafe cappuccino. This is not sponsored by Nescafe, by the way. I am genuinely a big fan of them. Again, a latte, Nescafe, caramel latte. This is a Nestle Milo. This is a hot cocoa mix. So this is, I have probably when I'm staying in the hotel, and during my stay, I'm gonna finish this box of coffee and my hot cocoa or whatever, and I can bring some souvenir or some stuff if I want to bring it back home. I have a hair dryer. I'm gonna stay in a 4-star hotel. They have a hair dryer, but I don't trust hair dryers. I'm using this almost for 7 years. I got it as a birthday gift from one of my elder brothers, and I love it. This is a Panasonic 1200 watt hair dryer. It works like magic. I have a mini iron. It's a foldable iron. I bought it like approximately, I think, 10 years ago. I am a fussy traveler, and I need my clothes properly ironed and properly crisp, and I like it very much. And this is a pride and joy, and staying with me for many years, and it comes with in every single travel with me, just like my hair dryer. I have an umbrella. I want to be prepared for any kinds of weather, so it's a fairly big umbrella. It's an automatic umbrella. This is from Miniso. It's an automatic umbrella, and I really like it. This can save me from the sun, from the rain, from sometimes I also survived a mini storm with this umbrella, and it is trustworthy. I bought it was quite pricey, but I think it's worth it. And it's always good to invest in a good quality product than a cheap quality product that you need to replace it after some time. Because I'm a traveler, I don't want to break any cultural or religious barriers, so I have a big shawl type of wool with me, and I can cover myself if I am going to a religious or a conservative place like this. And it's neutral, it can go with pretty much anything and everything. It goes with all my clothes, and I like it. It's organic, and it's from a local community. I like to support the local community, and I bought it from Bangladesh. One of my favorite shop called Jatra, and yeah, it also comes with me pretty much in all sorts of travels and tours. This is my personal item, and this is my tech box, which was in my four-wheeler bag. And what I have in here is my MacBook Pro charger, my phone charger, my another charger because many slots will not fit in this. I have my hard drive cable, my earphone, my watch charger, my phone charger. This I like to carry in a hard box because so my tech product is, because these are pricey, these are expensive. Pricey and expensive are the same thing, but whatever. These are not readily available everywhere, so I don't want to take any risk. So I carry this in a tech box, proper tech box. This is my personal item. I do have some personal tech in my personal item as well. It's a very interesting bag. First, let me show you the bag. This is an Arctic Hunter bag, and this bag is it has two different parts. You can see the chain in here. I'm not using the other part because it's a short trip and I don't require everything that I need for a longer trip. And I can easily carry it in my bag. It's a very low profile bag. It's very low profile. And the interesting part is you can untie it from this bag, and you can tag the other part of the bag, and then I can use it in the other side of the other part of the bag. So I can make it two different bags at the same time. Sometimes I carry only this bag if it's a very short trip and I don't require any formal sets of clothes, and I need maybe a day trip or a short trip or a 2-day trip. I only carry this bag, so other part can carry my clothes and my basic cosmetics, and this part carry my tech stuff. Also, this bag opens like this. It opens like this. Very interesting. Here I have my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 that I'm shooting with right now. This is a whole kit. I have my bum bag, which I can carry, which I generally carry it like this in my front. So I have my ID, my money, and my phone inside this bag. I have a sunglass in here. We are going to a very sunny area, so I have two different sunglasses here. My power is very complicated and it's not available everywhere, so sometimes I need to read some stuffs in the sun, and that's why I need my plus glass. This is a progressive glass, so in that case I use my sunglass like this. And when I am indoor, I don't need the sun. I can open up like this, and when I am going out, I need sunglass. I can use it like this. This is a, and I have my proper sunglass. These both are Polaroid sunglass, and it's clear, it's easy, though both are powered glass prescription glasses, and I have to carry a proper glass box because I need to protect my glass because they are valuable to me. Post COVID, we are used to with hand sanitizer, so I have my hand sanitizers. Here I have my MacBook Pro 16-inch. I have my adapter. I know it's quite big and there's a smaller version available, but I have it for some time and I'm happy with it. I live in Bangladesh, and some places they ask for some different kinds of port, like VGA port, and the smaller one doesn't have VGA port, so I prefer to carry this over that one. I have my Magic Mouse. I have Zebronics AirPods. Sometimes I want to have a quiet environment and I don't want any kind of noise, but when you're outside you don't have a choice. Here in a pack I have some medical prescriptions. I have health issues, and sometimes I need original copies in case something goes wrong, and doctors need to know my history and pretty much everything is available in this tiny bag. So finally, my bum bag or my crossbody bag. This is a small bag which is I'm gonna carry it on my front. I have a handmade microfiber towel in here. I bought it from a lady. She's a small entrepreneur, and she sells handmade clothes, and I can tell you this is one of the finest handmade towel I have ever used in my life. I have a small medicine pouch, and I have a band-aid, and I have my basic medicines in here. These are the medicines I consume on a daily basis. As I said, I have prescription medicines. I have some changes, and I have a small wallet with my ID and some bank cards. I have odomas. I am mosquito allergic, and I don't want myself to get dengue, and that's why I always carry odomas with me. I have a Vaseline lip therapy. I have a mouth freshener. Sometimes I don't keep my mouth clean, and sometimes I don't have time to clean my teeth with brushes because I'm outside, so it helps me to stay fresh. I have a lip therapy. I have a very dry lip, and I have a brush, tiny brush. If I have an opportunity, I would like to brush my teeth. I have a perfume, hand perfume from Zara. I have a pen. I have a hair tie. I have a headache roll-on. I have severe migraine, and I sometimes need to use this roll-on because if I take the medicine, I need to shut myself for some time, but I'm in the middle of the work and I'm in the middle of a road. It's not possible to rest, so this balm helps me a lot. This is from Amrutanjali. This is I bought from India when I was traveling, and oh boy, this helps me so much, I can't tell you. And I have a lip balm with SPF 50 because I'm going to a harsh area and a sea beach area. This is very important. This is all I have for my packing video, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you want me to make any different kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.